Finding your Temu referral code is simple and allows you to share it with friends and family to earn rewards. Here's how you can locate your referral code. Log into your Temu account. Visit the Temu website and log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the referral program. After logging in, go to your account dashboard. Typically, this can be found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the page. Access the referral section. Once in your dashboard, look for the referral program or refer and earn section. Click on it to view details. Copy your referral code. In the referral section, you will see your unique referral code or link. This code is used to share with others so they can use it during their Temu purchases. Share your referral code. You can share your referral code via email, social media, or other messaging platforms. When someone uses your code, both you and the person you referred may receive rewards or discounts. Track referrals and rewards. The referral section in your Temu account will also show how many people have used your referral code and your corresponding rewards.